to RC Brucey, guys. As you can see here today on the bench, you got the Maxx here and got the wide arm kit finally put on it with the Revo 2.0 tires. What took me so long to do this, I don't know, but I'm going to tell you what. Wide kit, Revo tires, it's a deadly combination. This thing's on rails. Whole new RC, guys, and this thing is awesome. I'd highly recommend doing it, in my opinion. I got some run footage going to show you here in a minute. Full speed on my driveway. Sucker ain't going nowhere. Whole new RC. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. The footage I'm about to show you demonstrate the difference if you've been following along with the channel and what I've been doing to try to upgrade this thing. But I hope you guys like it. Enjoy the footage. And thanks for watching RC Brucey, guys. I'll see you next time. Alright guys, thanks for watching RC Brucey. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wide kit yourself, mixed with the Revo tires. Personally, I think it works awesome, but comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, again, thanks for watching RC Brucey, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.